This is a quick demo of how the YedAI Accelerators widget can be used in a specific use case, a staff virtual assistant for hotels. You've seen previously that we can type directly into the widget to interact with the model, but in this case, we will demonstrate the widget's voice-to-text feature. Let's begin. As you can see, we are asked to provide our name and employee ID to begin. Let's say we are a member of the housekeeping staff and want to check our schedule and take care of some tasks. David, 8172.
Thank you. How can I help you?
What floor am I covering on Wednesday?
On Wednesday, you are scheduled to cover floor 1 from 12 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Who else is working on floor 1 that day?
On Wednesday, Alice Smith is scheduled to work on floor 1 from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and Carol Lee is scheduled to work on floor 1 from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m.
Remind me to talk to Alice about the guest request for room 105.
Request completed.
We can integrate existing internal systems from the hotel in order to assist the hotel's employees. Let's take a look at another use case. Say we are a manager working at the front desk and need to know about maintenance projects throughout the hotel. Emma, 7731.
Thank you. How can I help you?
I have a maintenance guy here at the front desk. What room is the window sealing project scheduled for?
The window ceiling project is scheduled for room 203 on the second floor.
What's the status of the door lock replacement in room 302?
The door lock replacement in room 302 has been completed.
Mark room 302 as ready.
Request completed.
These are just two possible cases of how the accelerator can be implemented as a virtual staff assistant for hotels. Thank you.